And man, oh man, does that look good. What is going on, guys? I'm working with Wrenchettes. We're working with beautiful laugh as well. Now today we're going to install these side skirts right here. And these are not like really expensive side skirts and stuff like that, like carbon fibers and stuff like that. I just want to install it and see how it looks. So if I like the look, I may purchase a really nice one in the future. And then I saw Giovanni the G35 Fan's video that you don't have to lift the car to install side skirts. So if you want to see that video in its completion, I'll link it in the description. Before we do that, I'm going to show you guys the side skirt, which is right here. This is a side skirt. This is like an eBay side skirt. Plastic. It's a 3-piece, which I don't like because you can see like the splits if you look closely. But it's gonna give me the right idea to see if I like it or not. So let's install these side skirts, see how the car looks, and then you guys let me know if you like it or not. I'm extremely happy. I love how that thing looks in the bottom, and then with the wing in the back, matches perfectly. I am loving the build. Woo. Look at that, look at that. I mean, just look at this angle right there, bro. Yo. Now the only thing I didn't like it was that on this side, on the passenger side, it went in no problem. The bolts just went up, but on the left side I think it has like a metal or something. And of course that you can actually see the dividers like that right there and that right there. This one is the worst because this one is the one that I fixed, and it doesn't want to go like flush here, but yeah, and you can see now it's scratched up because of the fender. All right, so as you can see, we changed the side skirts, and man, oh man, does that look good. Now I really want a legit side skirt. I really want to spend the money now, but good Lord, man. I mean, it transformed the entire look of the car just by that side skirt. It's amazing. Now, I had no idea how good it would look on my specific build, but it definitely goes with it. It complements it, it like grounds it more. And then the color scheme, of course, is perfect because it's black, and this theme is like black and red and dark gray. But man, this is really awesome. Now I'm really happy I spent those $40 on those cheap side skirts, because now I know it look good. Now if I want to buy a real good one, I will be totally happy spending all the extra cash. So after you've seen the results of these side skirts, of these cheap side skirts, and how it transformed the entire look of this car, are you gonna get one? Please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Until next time, guys, God bless, stay prayed up,